Today we're going to make this traditional Greek dessert, ravani. Ravani is a sponge cake soaked in syrup that you can enjoy all year long. So to get started, we have 10 eggs, and we're going to separate them, the yolks from the whites. Now that we've separated our eggs, we're going to take our egg whites and we're going to put them right into our mixer. And we're going to mix these until nice and fluffy. So we've beaten our egg whites until they hold a stiff peak. So we're going to put that into we're going to let them sit on the side. Next, we're going to take our egg yolks and we're going to add that right to our bowl. And we're going to mix this together with our sugar. And 2 cups of sugar. Add that right to the bowl. We're beating our egg yolks and our sugar until it's like a creamy pale yellow color, about 2 minutes. And next we're going to take vegetable oil, 1 cup, and I'm going to slowly add it to our mixture. Next we're going to add in ouzo. So ouzo we're going to do 1/2 cup. So if you don't have ouzo and for some reason you have mastica at home, you could add that instead of the ouzo. But I'm going to do this. We have 1/2 cup of ouzo, and I'm going to slowly add this to our mixture. So I have 2 tablespoons of coconut that I'm going to add right to that. So that's combining. I'm going to leave that on. And now we have our semolina. So for this recipe, this is fine Greek semolina. It's 1 bag, which I have put in the link below because this bag that I linked is a 500-gram bag. So if you don't have a 500-gram bag, it kind of, it measures out to 2 3/4 cup of semolina. So some brands are smaller bags and then you'll need to measure that out. So I have this fine semolina, and to this I'm gonna add baking powder. So we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm gonna add that in here. And mix that together. So now that we have that mixed, we're gonna add this semolina to our mixture. So I'm gonna slowly add that. So now that we've added our semolina, we're gonna do zest from 1 orange. So I'm just gonna zest this orange. So we have our orange zest, add that right to our mixture. Our last step for our mixture is to fold in our egg whites. And we're gonna take our egg whites and we're gonna fold them in. So we're gonna take this and we're just going to scrape around the edges from the bottom and fold it up. So now that we've folded in our egg whites, you could see this, it's nice and a fluffy mixture now. So I've scraped the sides and we're ready to bake this. So to bake this, it is it's too much of a mixture to put in 1 Pyrex pan. So you could use 2 smaller ones, or here I have a 15-inch round pan that I'm gonna use. And I put the link below for you to buy this on Amazon. I'm gonna spray this. And we're gonna pour our mixture into this. And then we're gonna bake at 350. So we have this ready, and we're gonna put it in the oven for about 1 hour on 350. So while our cake is baking in the oven, we're gonna make our syrup. So put it on high heat. We have 3 cups of water, 2 cups of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. So So we're gonna cook this until our sugar completely dissolves. And remember, our rule of thumb for all of our Greek desserts are one needs to be hot and one needs to be cold. So if our cake is hot, then our syrup needs to be cold, or if we let our cake cool completely, then our syrup needs to be hot. So I've taken our ravani out of the oven, and you can feel it's nice and spongy. So this is hot, but I have cold syrup and a hot cake, so I'm gonna cut this before I put the syrup on. And now that we've cut it, we're gonna take our cold syrup and we're gonna pour this right on top, and we're gonna let it soak in all the way around. And that, it's gonna soak into our cake and make it nice and moist. And for the top, to make it nice and pretty, we're gonna add some powdered sugar and some shredded coconut. And this is completely optional, it's up to you if you wanted to do this, but I'm just gonna take some powdered sugar around the cake. You could do this step right before you're serving it. And then we're gonna take some shredded coconut and put that around too. A little extra coconut flavor. And this is ready to be served. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.